ये है मेरा ABCD लाइफ. This is my ABCD life.
Arey, why are you coughing, Shiksha?
Mom, I'm fine. Don't worry about it.
No, listen, we must nip this in the bud before it gets too bad. Look, I'll show you a mudra. Just do this. Do this for
Mom,
20
not
minutes. It's for
mudras.
bad throats and you'll feel better in no time. Very easy.
No.
Nay. What are you telling her? This hand-holding ki business. Shiksha beta, all you need to do is take the honey, put the black pepper.
I don't
put
like
the,
it.
You know the haldi, what do they call it?
I'm fine.
The turmeric. Put the haldi, heat it up, eat it, and it's very soothing for the throat. Listen to your dati Jaan.
Hare Ram, I can't
Listen to this anymore. Look, Shiksha, don't bother with any of this henchman, haldi waldi, I don't know what, okay? We live in the 21st century. Just go to the doctor, get some medicine, and be done with it.
What are you telling
What
my
are you
daughter?
telling her,
Please,
Priya?
why
How
don't
can
you
you say
Mom,
this?
I'm fine.
Wasting any money. Teach my daughter. Please,
These mudras
it's
are
all my life. All the hand
all
dancing
the
time.
ये है मेरा ABCD life. This is my ABCD life.
Oi, you mean bubble glass factory or what?
ये है मेरा ABCD life. This is my ABCD life. ये है मेरा ABCD life. This is my ABCD life. ये है मेरा ABCD life. This is my ABCD life. ये है मेरा ABCD life. This is my ABCD life. ये है मेरा ABCD life.